In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Ctrader quick trade. If you've ever wanted a faster way to enter a position right from your chart or the market watch, this is the tool designed for that. Simple, quick, and focused on execution without extra clicks. First, open the chart of the instrument you want to trade, or open the market watch window if you prefer a list view of symbols. The chart gives you context with price action, while Market Watch lets you move quickly between instruments. Either option works with quick trade, so choose the one that matches how you like to make decisions. Before you start, take a second to glance at the bid-ask spread and ensure you're comfortable with current market conditions. Next, look at the chart toolbar and click the quick trade icon. This icon toggles one-click trading right on your chart. When it's active, you'll typically see buy and sell buttons appear with live prices. If you're in the market watch, you'll see similar quick buttons aligned with each instrument. Think of this as turning on an express lane. Once it's active, your clicks are routed straight to the market. Click the quick trade icon again if you want to hide those buttons or prevent accidental clicks. Keeping the toggle on only when you intend to trade is a good habit, especially during volatile sessions. When you're ready, click buy if you expect price to rise, or sell if you expect it to fall. Quick trade executes at market, so you're prioritizing speed over precise price. Make sure your default trade size is set to something you're comfortable with before you click. This is what the platform will use immediately. If your setup includes a confirmation prompt, read it quickly and confirm. If you've enabled true one-click mode, your order will go straight through. To place the trade confidently, take a quick moment to review volume. And if your layout includes fields for stop loss or take profit, set them before you execute. This helps manage risk from the start. After the click, check your open positions to confirm the entry price and size. You can adjust stops and targets on the chart by dragging levels, and you can close the position from the same quick interface if needed. That's the essence of Ctrader Quick Trade. Open your chart or market watch, toggle the quick trade icon, and place a buy or sell when your setup is ready, keeping risk and trade size under control.